Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View looking at the week ahead. A generally settled outlook continues with lots more dry and sunny weather throughout the upcoming week. Still a rather strong and gusty easterly wind through this weekend though, which will be particularly notable across southern Scotland, England and Wales, where speeds in places could be over 35 or 40 miles per hour around some of the higher mountain tops and through some of the higher passes as well. So just watch that in places through this weekend. And a distinct chill too coming in on that easterly wind, especially across more eastern hill groups. The air temperature only just above freezing point, especially in the morning, and all day really across most of the eastern mountains in Scotland. It will feel notably chilly. So factor that in, especially if you're exposed to the wind for any length of time. Lots of sunshine in the west, some areas of low cloud across more eastern hill groups, especially in the morning hours. Highest tops in Scotland likely to be above a cloud layer. It's mostly focused around the lower and middle elevations across eastern parts of the Highlands. Again, some low cloud may reform and develop overnight into Sunday coming in off the North Sea, but by and large, Sunday's forecast, once more, we'll see lots of sunshine across most places. Still got a gusty wind, not quite as strong as on Saturday, and if anything, just easing down as the day goes on. Temperatures a shade higher, but still just be prepared to feel a bit cool in exposure on the tops, but pleasantly warm where you're in the sunshine and some shelter. High pressure will hang on into the start of next week and slightly expand further across the country, and the isobars opening out, so overall we'll see lighter winds for most places. Could just be a bit gusty locally across some spots in Wales, but for many it's much lighter winds than recent days, and that will be a story that will be ongoing into Tuesday as well, with high pressure staying in charge, lots of sunshine, some frost first thing in the morning in the valleys and the glens, and daytime temperatures feeling pleasant in the sun. Our big area of blocking high pressure is expected to hang around still through midweek as well. Broadly centred across the northern half of the country, may just allow an easterly breeze to be around still across Wales, but not as strong as recently. Later in the week, it could just be the high shuffles a bit further southwards and eventually allows more of a westerly influence to come into Scotland. A degree of uncertainty on that at this stage, but it might just be that a bit more cloud gets into the mix with time late in the week, and the possibility around next weekend or just beyond that area of high pressure may just weaken enough to start to allow some weak fronts or some areas of showers to get into the mix. Great uncertainty of detail, but something of a transition period around next weekend into the following week, where some areas of rain and showers may just start to get into the forecast as pressure falls compared to recently. For the time being though, it's a good forecast that continues, but do just watch that chilly and strong wind this weekend. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.